What would you do if money was no longer a concern? That's the question that brings us to the concept of financial freedom. It's not just about stacks of cash or lavish lifestyles. No, it's about the liberty to live life on your terms, unchained from the constraints of constant money worries. It's about having the independence to make choices that aren't dictated by your bank account. Now ask yourself this. Imagine the possibilities if you were financially free. Financial freedom might seem like a distant dream, but it's more achievable than you think. It's all about navigating a roadmap, and today we're going to help you draw that map. It's a journey that takes you through 3 significant milestones: reducing expenses, increasing income, and investing wisely. First stop, reducing expenses. This is the most immediate and straightforward step toward financial freedom. It's all about understanding the difference between your wants and your needs. It's about the choices you make every day that add up over time. Do you need that daily latte, or could you brew your coffee at home? Do you need the latest smartphone, or could the one you have last another year? By making small changes to your spending habits, you can make a big impact on your financial health. The next destination on our journey is increasing income. This is where the magic happens, where you go from just making ends meet to having money to invest. This could involve advancing in your current job, starting a side hustle, or even turning a hobby into a profitable venture. Increasing your income is about expanding your opportunities and unlocking your earning potential. Finally, we arrive at the 3rd milestone: investing wisely. This is how your money can start working for you. It's about understanding the power of compound interest and how it can turn your savings into wealth. It's about making informed decisions and taking calculated risks. Whether it's investing in the stock market, real estate, or starting your own business, the key is to diversify your investments and let time do the rest. So there you have it, your roadmap to financial freedom. It's a journey, not a race. It's about making consistent, intentional choices that align with your financial goals. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage what you have. Each of these steps brings you closer to your financial freedom. The first step towards financial freedom is reducing expenses. Imagine your income as a river and your expenses as holes in the riverbed. The more holes, the less water gets to the other side. Now the trick is to plug as many holes as you can. This starts with creating a solid budget. A budget isn't just a list of your expenses, it's a roadmap for your money. It helps you prioritize, understand where your money is going, and identify areas where you can cut back. Think about your daily coffee or that premium cable package you barely use. Consider switching to a cheaper mobile plan or cooking at home more often. Little changes can make a big difference over time. And don't forget about the power of negotiation. Many service providers are willing to lower their rates to keep a loyal customer. So don't be shy, pick up the phone and ask for a better deal. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. The next step is increasing your income. Now this might sound easier said than done, but there are several avenues you can explore. One of the most straightforward methods is to negotiate a raise. If you've been at your job for a while and have consistently performed well, it's worth having a conversation with your employer. Demonstrate your value and make a case for why you deserve a higher salary. Another option is to start a side hustle. This could be anything from selling handmade crafts online, starting a blog, or using your skills to freelance. The beauty of a side hustle is that it's completely in your control. Lastly, consider investing in your education to qualify for a better job. This could mean going back to school, taking a certification course, or simply learning a new skill online. The investment you make in yourself today can pay off significantly in the future. By increasing your income, you're fueling your journey towards financial freedom. The final step towards financial freedom is investing wisely. You see, investing is not just about putting your money somewhere and waiting for returns. It's about understanding the value of money and how it can work for you. Think of it as planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and over time it grows into a tree. The same goes with investing. You put your money in the right places, and over time it grows, giving you more than what you initially put in. Now, when you think about investing, a few options might come to mind. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are among the most popular ones. Let's take a brief look at each. Stocks are shares in a company. When you buy stocks, you're buying a piece of the company. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. Bonds, on the other hand, are essentially loans that you give to a company or the government. They promise to pay you back with interest after a certain period. And then there's real estate. Buying property and then renting it out or selling it for a higher price later can be a great source of income. But remember, each of these options comes with its own set of risks and rewards. It's important to do your research, understand your financial goals, and invest according to your risk tolerance. Investing wisely is the key to building wealth and achieving financial freedom. So, we've discussed the 3 steps towards financial freedom: reducing expenses, increasing income, and investing wisely. Let's quickly recap. Reducing expenses is all about being mindful of your spending habits and making smart choices. It's not about deprivation, but rather about making your money work for you. Increasing income could mean negotiating a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or even retraining for a higher paying job. It's about exploring all possible avenues to boost your earnings. Investing wisely is perhaps the most crucial step. It's not just about stashing your money away in a savings account, it's about making your money grow. It could be investing in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. But remember, knowledge without action is useless. So, start today. Take that first step towards your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more content, and share this video. Your support is greatly appreciated. Here's to your financial freedom.